Question 19. A map has a scale of 1 to 10,000. The distance on a map is 2 centimeters. What is this distance in real life? So what I always encourage people to do here is write the scale out. A map scale should always begin with a 1, and the map number always goes on the left, and the real life distance, which we'll call IRL for short, in real life, goes on the right. Both of these numbers should both be in centimeters. If they're not in centimeters, you have to change them into centimeters for it to be a proper map scale. So 1 to 10,000. And then we say, well, what's the question doing? The question is changing the 1 in the actual scale into 2 centimeters on the map. So that is actually getting twice as big. So you're doubling the 1 to get 2. So if you're doubling the 1 on the map to get 2, you've got to also double the 10,000 in real life. And double 10,000 is 20,000. So the correct answer to this question is 20,000 centimeters. However, we will go a stage further. It doesn't necessarily ask us to do this. We don't have to do this for this question. But what happens if this question wanted the answer in meters or in kilometers? And it's pretty hard to visualize 20,000 centimeters. So let's just turn it into meters. So every meter has 100 centimeters. So if you divide this by 100, see how many 100s go into 20,000, you'll get that in meters. Dividing by 100, if there are zeros there, you can just remove 2 zeros. So removing 2 zeros would leave you with 2 and then 2 more zeros. So that would be in meters, 200 meters. And if you wanted that into kilometers, every kilometer is 1,000 meters. So you'd then have to divide by 1,000. And 200 divided by 1,000 takes you to 0.2. So the correct kilometers. So the correct answer is either 20,000 centimeters, 200 meters, or 0.2 kilometers. All of those answers are correct.